Oh my gosh. Look at me at the end of my day. Okay, so why am I live and so excited? My last little, he just left. Little as in my childcare kids. And super, super excited because on my porch I saw a box. And I saw 3 boxes. And I just got back from conference. We have the opportunity to order new product right there at conference, and that's what I did. And so my new stuff came, and I'm just so excited. So this is a new bag of laundry detergent. I do have some of the other bags left because I always keep some on hand for my people who use them, and them in your store. And so when you're close to me, then we can they just stop over and pick it up. Anyway, so it's let me see. It says powerful stain lifters. And that wasn't the only thing on there. There was something about, it's the same directions. You use it the same as the other. And I'm so excited I can't even, well, anyway, for those who are hosting in August, this is exciting because I get to share this with you and the other things that are coming out. And it has no phosphates, no SLSs, no SLES. There's no bleach, fillers, optical brighteners. It's not been tested on animals. There's no dyes or fragrance. So that's the same as Norwex Always. 66 standard loads and 100 of the HE loads. I know that's backwards, but, learn to read backwards and you can read it. And then I also got the sample bottle and some sample packs. Oh my gosh, let me see. Moving the boxes around. And, the EnviroClaws, this is cool. There's 5 colors now, and they come in this nice cardboard packaging like the other claws do, so no more plastic bags there. And, of course, the cardboard is recyclable with directions. And so the colors are green, blue, slate, and, okay, so they brought in 2 new colors, and they're called the... They're colors to represent Norway. Nordic. I think maybe Nordic colors. Somebody, you can comment what you think it's really called. Anyway, so there's 5 in a pack now. That's exciting. They have new napkins. This is one of the 2 new sets that are coming out. I don't know how well you can see the pattern. It's leaves, and they're orange, tealish blue, and brown on this light gray, and it's so pretty. And same thing, they're made out of the recyclable, or out of the plastic bottles. 50% of it is recycled bottles, which is so crazy. They're so soft. What else is in here? Oh, some of you, when you look what's back. Okay, so we have the counter claws. And for a while they came with this house, and we have the houses back. So this is really cute because you put them inside here, and you can add other claws in your kitchen set, and then you can just have them nicely folded up right here on your counter. A really cool way. People were like, I don't want to have everything hanging all over. So they made these to go in this house, and they brought the house back. So exciting. Well, I have some other things, but I think I'm going to save them for those who are hosting parties. So whether you want to do one on Facebook or do one live, when you're in the Des Moines area, you can have a live party. So you want to get your party booked right away. Also, I'm setting up theme parties. I have a couple already booked clear into October already, but I have dates open this month in August, and I do have some dates open here in September. So whether it's a live party or a Facebook party, you'll want to get your party booked right now for this fall. It's just, I'm so excited, everybody. Thanks for hosting parties and being a part of my business. And of course, without customers, I don't have a business, and without hosts, Norwex doesn't exist. So get in on the free product. This month in August is the mop, and there's something really cool about the mop too, so you're gonna want to host a party for mop month. Got these little packets here of some goodies. I want to show you everything that I bought, and I didn't get very much of the new product because I just kind of didn't want to go overboard. I've done that before. Anyway, it's like Christmas. I'm so excited. Get your parties booked and be a part of all of this, and get your free product. Remember, when you host a party, whether it's Facebook or a live party, you get those all those things for free. And some of you have gotten up to $500 of free Norwex, and I know usually it's at least $200 that you get in free product. And I'm just excited to give free product away all the time. And also, as a host, this comes up so many times. What do I have to buy to get the free stuff? You don't have to buy anything when you're a host. You just let your people come and they buy and they get what they want and book their own parties to get their free stuff, and you get free product because you have so many buying guests, because you reach a certain sales level, you have your shopping spree, and then because you get a booking, then you get that whole big package of a product that's the big stuff that you get the most. And so that you spend the shopping spree. If you go over a little bit, you pay the difference, but most people kind of can work it out where they spend their $200 or $300. If you, well, I shouldn't say it's $200. If you have $1,000 in sales, you're going to get $120 in shopping spree. So it's of your choice what you pick out. And then with that booking, you get all of those other products. So anyway, just let me know. Some of you have just shot me a text. You can do that. You can comment on the private group page here that we have. This is getting really long, and so people probably aren't going to watch it all the way through. But anyway, my new product boxes have arrived. It is so cool, and I need to go through it all. And have a good night, everybody.